All right, let's start this. All of you can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so start solving. This is your first question. I want answers from all of you. Okay. Come on, guys, give me your answers. What is the logic here? See, whenever the numbers are close, the logic has to be related to something with the differences only. Okay. So, for example, if you see the difference between 47 and 51 is 4. The difference between 51 and 55 is 4. Then from 55 to 63, it is 8. From 63 to 87, it is 24. Okay. So carefully observe, guys. The differences is 4, 4, 8, 24. So what will be the next? Is there a pattern here? Yes, there is definitely a pattern here. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So next will be 24 into 4, 96. So this has to be the difference. So the next number will be 87 plus 96, which is 183. So option B is your right answer. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So this is a simple question. Okay. So 47, 51, so based on difference. So whenever numbers are close, it is based on mostly 90% it is based on these numbers only. Okay. So this is your first question. All right. What about this question? So again, remember, right? We know, right? We will number the letters based on HOT, EJOTY. Okay. With that only you can do it. Do it.
Sir, option A.
Yes, yes, Sri.
Sir, is it option A?
Option A. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Let others complete. Come on, guys. All of you give your answers. Okay, Smaran says A. Remaining people, please give your answers.
Sir, option A.
Okay. Soumya says A. Okay. All right. Let's check. Let's check. Okay. So from C Z to B. So Z is 26, right? So after Z, I'll get B. I mean, after two letters after Z, right? So then have D, right? Then I have F, right? So again, it will be 2 increased, so H. Then we have K. What is K? JK. J is 10. So K is 11. O is 15. S is 19. W is 23. Right. So that is how your next one will be W plus 4. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 is A. Right. So HA. So directly option A will be the answer. Right. So this is also a straightforward question. Okay. What about this one, guys? Give your answer for this one. Okay. Okay. So the okay, Vasuki says A. Okay.
Sir, it is
So
complete.
here also, yes, Gauri, tell me.
Sir, option A.
Option A. Okay, fine. Yeah, I think almost all of our, yeah, okay, almost all are getting. So what is the logic here? The difference logic. Again, so the numbers are a little bit closer to each other. So mostly the logic will be based on differences. So its consecutive differences are in AP with a constant differences too, right? So that will be okay. Okay, what about this? This one, guys. Your logical deduction question. So how do you should do how you should be doing this? Should be doing this with the help of Venn diagram. Okay, remember that. Okay, so students who are joining this class for the first time, okay, guys, will have the next batch will start from the next week. Okay, so you might not understand these questions, right? You know, the logical deduction questions, but it's okay. Okay, we'll discuss it again. So don't worry. Okay, Smaran says only conclusion 2 follows. Okay, let's check. So all Facebook or WhatsApp, right? So all Facebook or WhatsApp means, so what Facebook will be inside. Some WhatsApp or Paytm. So Paytm can be something like this in one case, or in other case, it can be something like this as well. No Paytm is Telegram. Okay. So Telegram can be like this, or Telegram can be somewhere here. Some Telegram is Facebook. No, in this case, it is not. Right? In this case, no Telegram is Facebook, right? I mean, if I put it here. Some WhatsApp is not Telegram. Some WhatsApp is not Telegram. Definitely, right? Because WhatsApp is this entire thing, and there is nothing common between Paytm and Telegram. So this part, right? This part of WhatsApp can definitely not be Telegram. So your second option is correct, right? So only second conclusion follows, guys. Okay. So again, I'm saying, right, students who are looking at this for the first time, don't worry, we will discuss it. Okay, we will discuss it in the classes. Okay. Yeah, conclusion 2 follows. Okay. This one, guys. So here there is a statement, and these are the conclusions. D is neither conclusions are true. Neither conclusions are true. Okay, so this is the D statement. Now you answer. Right. D. Correct, right? See, statement is the team manager humiliated Satish in front of his colleagues on a Monday morning, right? Now, this doesn't mean that the team manager did not like Satish, right? On that particular issue, he might have humiliated, but it does not nowhere it implies that he is did not like, or Satish was not as popular as. So this second statement doesn't make any sense, right? So neither of the conclusions are true, right? So this is how you have to figure out. Okay, understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yes, okay. Okay, do this one. This the age, the product of the ages. Do this. Yeah. A. Okay. So the product of the ages of Anil and Vishnu is 240. So AB is 240. If twice the age of Vishnu is more than Anil's age by 4 years. If twice the age of Vishnu is more than Anil's age. So more than Anil's age, A plus by 4 years. So 2B is equal to A plus 4. What was the Vishnu's age 2 years ago? So we have to calculate B minus 2. Okay. So we have two equations, two unknowns. You'll get the values, right? So AB is 240 and B is A plus 4 by 2. So a into a plus 4 by 2. So is equals to 240. So a into a plus 4 is 480. Right. So instead of doing this factorization, let's try to figure out what are the factors. 480 means I can write as what guys, 16 into 30. So that will work 16 to 4, but that is not in the form of a plus. A into a plus 4. What will work out? Okay, let's go from options only, right? So if age 2 years ago was 10, then this fellows will be 12. Right, so it will be or a square plus 4a minus 480 is equals to 0, right? So how do I solve this? So is, let's say, minus 4 plus or minus square root of b squared 16 minus 4ac. So plus 4 into 480. So 0, 4, 32, 4, 4. So 1920. 1936, guys. 1936. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 1936. So what is square root of 1936?
44.
40 square is 1600. 50 square is 2000. So 44 square. Right? So 44 square. 45 square. Yeah, 44 square. So this is minus 4 plus or minus 44 by 2a. So plus if you take, right? So 44 minus 4, 40, 40 by 2 is 20, right? So a is 20. If a is 20, then b is 12. So b minus 2, 2 years ago. So 10. So 10 years. It's a mathematics problem, not a reasoning problem. It's okay. No issues. All right. Okay, do this next question. This is from analogy. Do this. Give all of you, please give your answers, guys. Please give your answers. Yes, guys, what's the answer here? From 19 to 12 and 23 to which number? 19 is related to 12, and in the same way, 23 is related to which number, right? So how is 19 related to 12, guys? Right? So 19 to 12. So you can get from the other way, right? How do you get 12 from 19 from 12? So it is 12 to the 24 minus 5, right? So if you do the same thing, you will get, or in other words, I can get 12 from 19 by adding 5 to it, right? And dividing. See, first of all, what is the basic logic that you'll apply, right? So you'll say that, okay, how, so you can subtract 7. So similarly, if you subtract 7, 23 minus 7 is 16. So it's not there. Okay. What are the other way from 19 to 12? Well, 19 plus 5 is 24 by 2 is 12, right? So this is one other approach. So is there such thing? So 23 plus 5 is 28. 28 by 5 is 28 by 2 is 14, and we have 14. So option C is the right answer. Right? So this is how you'll do it. Okay. So this is you are basically analogy question, guys, right? So it's a question from analogy. Okay, what about this one? So you'll get these sort of questions as well, right? So mostly your analogy questions, right? Your analogy questions will be related, right? Your analogy questions will be related to biology or physics or chemistry. Bat is related to mammal in the same way as spiders do. So spider is not a reptile, right? Spider is not an amphibian. I know that. And it is not also a verb. So arthropoda is the answer. Option B. Right? Yes. Yes, Tanvi. Yes, Maran. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Okay, do this one. Select the option in which this is a very good question, guys. Very good question. You need to be very observant to solve this question. So try this question. I'll give you 3-4 minutes if you want to try it. Okay, we got some answers. Let's check. D, option D, option D. Okay, let's see. See how you have to look at this. Again, the numbers are little bit close to each other, right? So that is one observation. So first of all, whenever the numbers are close to each other, first take the difference. This is the first thing that you should be doing, us. Without any doubt, you should be doing this. Okay. So you have 47, you have 56, you have 29, right? So the difference between these two is 9, and the difference between these two is 27. Okay. Now the idea should click, right? What is 9? 9 is 3 square. What is 27? 27 is 3 cube. Done. The problem is done. So you have to look for the differences with 3 square and 3 cube. Okay. So the difference between 13, 1 and 40 is 3 square. But between 40 and 24, it is 16. It is not 3 cube. Here the difference is 8. So this is not the answer. Here also it is 8. It is not the answer. Here it is 3 square. Here it is 3 cube. So option D is the right answer. Very, 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 very good problem. And you can definitely expect this sort of a problem. All of you, did you understand this? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No? Okay. All right. Great. Okay, I think these are all the questions I got from my side. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. We can discuss because we have some more time. If you don't have any questions, I can give some more questions. Uh, right? If you have any questions, guys, or anything that you want to ask, about your exam.
Sir, are we gonna do blood relations?
Blood relations, yes, we will do some questions. We'll do some questions in the next class. Again, as I told you, that is not mentioned in the syllabus, but having said that, I did find some questions from this previous year. So let's do some questions. I mean, we will not do it as a concept, Tanvi, but we will definitely do some questions on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we have one more class, right? So we'll do in that class. Okay. Anything else, guys, that you want to discuss, or shall we do some more questions? Okay, let's do two more questions. Just give me a minute. I'll share this with you guys so that you can practice if you want. Again, you can practice them. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, okay. Let's do two more questions, guys. Okay. Yeah, you can see my screen, right? You do this
Yes.
question. This is also a little bit interesting question. Do it. Simple only. You can do. Yeah, guys. What is the answer for this one? Okay, let's see the options. Option B, option D, option B. Okay. So 12 is related to 36. And how is 18 related to? Okay. So first of all, 12 threes are 36. That logic though is not there, right? Then this is where you have to use, right? So what is 12 square, guys? 12 square is 44. 144 by 4 is 36, right? So again, 18 square, right, is 324 and by 4 is 381, right? So that's the logic that is being here, right? If the logic is not involving multiples or if it is not involving differences, then then most probably the logic will be based on squares or cubes only, right? So that's,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah. Any doubts?
Sir, I had a different logic and I was getting answer.
Gauri, your voice is too low, Gauri.
Hello, sir.
No, still very low. I mean, I am very difficult to hear it. What about the others? Can you hear? Can you listen her?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know why my. Okay, Gauri, can you speak?
Yes, sir. I had a different logic and I was getting answer 48.
Okay,
Can you
what was
please?
the logic that you
Yes.
used?
I used 12 into 2 plus 12 is 36. So I used similarly 18 into 2 plus 12. So I was
No,
getting 48.
see, there the problem is you used 12 into 2 plus 12, right? That is fine. But 80, it should also be following the same thing. It should be 18 into 2 plus 18, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if that was there, then that would have been a sound logic, right? Because 18 into 2 plus 36 plus 18 plus 54. So that would have been a sound logic.
Okay,
Understood,
sir.
though? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's solve this one. 29, 36, 39. So in whatever way they are related, you have to find the same way in which these numbers are related. Okay. Yeah. Let's do. Give me your answers. Okay, I got only one answer. Tanvi, she says it as option A. Okay. What about others, guys? Any logic? 29, 36, 39. Okay. Okay. What could be the logic? What could be the logic, guys? Okay, the simple logic is right. See, if you are not able to get the logic through through any of the things that we have discussed till now, right? Let's say through direct difference, right? So that is, what is the direct difference? 29 minus 7 is, so 29 plus 7 is 36 and 39 minus 6 is 3, right? So if you are not getting, so there is no logic based on that, right? In all the other options, then you see, you try for any other logic. Is squares, cubes logic, is it getting applicable somewhere? Again, we can see that it is not applicable. Then what you have to do is you have to go with the digits, right? So that's the last thing. Again, we have discussed this, right? In our first class, if you remember, in our analogy class, type 3 or type 4, we discussed it. Okay. So we have to go with the help of the digits, right? So 29 to 36, right? So how I'll go, I'm going by taking the difference of these digits and adding to this number, right? 9 minus 2 is 7, right? So 29 plus 7 is 36. Again, you can also observe it from the difference, right? So when you take the difference and when you get it as 7, you can see that, the difference of 9 and 2 is also 7. That is one way of observing it, right? So 29 plus 9 minus 2. And again, 36 minus 3, 6 minus 3, right? 36 minus 6 minus, sorry, 36 plus 6 minus 3 is 39. So is there any numbers where this logic works, right? So 48 plus 8 minus 4, okay, that is 52, that is fine. So 52 plus 5 minus 2. So I think option A is the right answer. Yes, option A is right answer. These are some good questions, and these are your, so this is how your question paper will be, guys. Mostly this is how you will get the questions. Understood, all of you?
Sir, I used another trick.
Yes, Tanvi?
Sir, I did it in another way.
Yes, Tanvi, can you tell me?
So like 29 and 36 has a difference of 7. 36 and 39 has a difference of 3.
Okay.
So like 7 plus 3 is 10. And then 29 and 39 has a difference of 10.
Okay.
So like that worked in option A. So like
Okay, yeah.
42 and 52 difference is 4.
Okay,
And then
4 plus 3, 7, and 42 and 55 are,
yes, sir.
that is also a good logic. So what is it not working in the other options?
Sir,
54, 4 and 58, 3. No, it works in the second one as well, right?
yes, so
In fact, it works in all the options, I guess.
yes, sir. So that's what I wanted to ask.
Yeah, that logic you cannot use. But okay, it's a good thought that you have thought this. But it's fine, yeah. So guys, again, I'll share this sheet with you. So we'll keep first revision sheet, right? So I'll share it with you straight away. Apart from that, guys, again, on Thursday will be our last class. Like who are taking for the first batch. So your last class will be on Thursday. Thursday also we will do some questions, right? So the previous repeated questions we will do, and then we will, yeah, we will do that blood relations we will do, guys. Okay. So and also if there is any other this concept which we are supposed to do, I'll try to discuss that as well. All right, any other class, any other doubts? No. All right, guys, if you don't have any doubts, you can end the call.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Gauri.
Sir, before exams, can we get all the notes of this logical reasoning class, like important things you have made a PDF of, like some kind of that?
Okay, so you are attending, so this is your first class, right, Gauri?
Yes, sir. I have just seen the sample video. So in that you have made the slides and all. So I
Yeah,
just
okay.
wanted
Then
all the 10 topics so that I can
okay.
revise before session 1.
All right. So, Gauri, you will get the recorded videos also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you ask Atul regarding the recorded videos, and meanwhile, I'll send the presentations. Are you added in the group?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll put them in the group so that you can revise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. If you have any further doubts, you can stay. Otherwise, you can end the call. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.